to prevent the unit from overheating and to keep components like the capacitor from failing prematurely. It is important. The issue with this unit is that its fan is running, but it is not cooling. So now we will check whether its compressor is not turning on. We will open it up and see what is causing it not to run. Now we will install this meter here, and we will connect the line and neutral wires here. And here you can see, the voltage was 179 volts. And look at this, the voltage is fluctuating here. 179 and look, 180 and 220. So its fan is working properly. That is completely fine, but the compressor could not start at all because as you can see here, the voltage is still fluctuating. The voltage is going up and down. The voltage should be stable. Otherwise, it will create a problem during the compressor startup. So what we will do is, as you can see here, it has this capacitor installed. It is approximately a 50 microF capacitor. We will check it. Sometimes if it becomes weak, it can also cause this problem, although I think someone has already replaced it because it doesn't look very old. Now we will install this capacitor. It is a 50 microfarad, 450 volt capacitor. We will replace the old one with this one, and let's remove it from here. At first glance, there does not seem to be any visible fault in it, but it has become a little warm, so it is possible that this is the reason why the compressor is not starting. As you can see, it has a 60 microfarad, 450 volt capacitor installed, but a 50 microfarad capacitor will also work in it. Now we will install this 50 microfarad capacitor here. And here you can see, the voltage has now reached 218 volts, and the compressor has started. It started properly. Now let's check it. You can see it is completely okay. Look, it has started cooling properly. It is running perfectly. The voltage has also become stable. It is now completely stable, and has settled at 220 volts. The compressor was repeatedly trying to start, which was causing this problem, and the voltage was dropping significantly each time. Now the voltage has become stable. Everything is completely okay. The compressor is running, and the unit is now working perfectly. Now I am back at the workshop. I wanted to analyze this capacitor to find out why it had failed. So when I analyzed it, look here, there is oil. You can see there is oil inside it as well. Because it was lying like this at the site, I could not see it. But now you can see that all of its oil has leaked out. Look here, this is its oil. You can see that all of the oil has come out and has collected here. What is the reason for this oil leaking out? At the site, I noticed that this unit was placed directly under the sunlight. Because of that, I think this capacitor, although it is new, burst due to overheating. Look here, there is oil here as well. You can see that all of the oil has leaked out over here. Look at this. This is also oil. All of this oil has leaked over to this side. You can see all of this is oil. To prevent the unit from overheating, and to keep components like the capacitor from failing prematurely, it is important to provide proper shading for the outdoor unit so that it is not exposed to direct sunlight. This will help prevent the capacitor from failing quickly. As a result, the life of the unit will increase, the compressor's lifespan will also increase, and its performance will improve. So, install a shade above it. You can make a simple handmade shade or use any suitable cover. Also, as you can see, you can buy these online as well. Look at this one. It is a lightweight aluminum cover. You can use it temporarily if the sunlight is very intense and there are no strong winds. It works very well. However, if there are strong winds, there is a chance that it may blow away. But if you build a proper shade for it, then the lifespan of your unit will definitely increase, and you will also get much better performance from it. Now let me analyze why the voltage was dropping to around 180 volts when I first started the unit and then returning to 220 volts. The reason was that whenever the compressor tried to start, it drew a very high amount of current, which caused the voltage to drop. That is why this issue is occurring. As soon as I replaced the capacitor, it provided a proper startup to the compressor. Because of that, the compressor started normally, and the voltage fluctuation problem was completely eliminated. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.